I traveled to Olumirin Waterfall in Ijesha. This is the second level, and I was welcomed by this man. Then I proceed. I saw this big rock that has 7 layers, which I intend to climb later in the day. Meet my top guard. He will be the one to show me way to the 7th floor. Yeah, we just passed the 2nd floor, and now we are heading to the 3rd floor. This is how far we've gone, and this is what we have left to reach the 3rd floor of this wonderful waterfall. So please subscribe for more.